Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look how you can gain momentum by going into a proactive outreach on Upwork and for your product success. So the general idea is that if you created your SaaS or your digital product or whatsoever, you try to fix a problem with this. And people which are searching for talent on Upwork have a problem. So for example, if you just created an accounting software, maybe a company which is searching for someone to do the accounting on Upwork could use your software instead. And so that's the general idea. And yeah, let's just start with the accounting example. For example, if we just enter accounting and we click on jobs and then accounting and we search, we get a list with, as you can see here, jobs which have something to do with accounting. For example, QuickBooks specialist for growing business, firm account manager, e-commerce strategy consultant, account setup, whatever. So people are looking for for people who can fix those problems for them. And if your software, your SaaS, or your digital product, or your template, or whatever is a solution for them, just text them and create an account, text them, hey, we created this product. Maybe instead of hiring someone, you should try to use our software to fix this problem. It's way cheaper than hiring someone. So this is a general idea, and you can really go into detail on Upwork, especially right now you can see it just searches for the term accounting, but you can really go into detail here and also search for the budget. For example, if your software is a cheaper one or more expensive one, you can adjust the budget of this project, of this job, and then hopefully find the right fit. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.